My name is Jenny. I run a company called Cheeky Handmaids, and I've been repairing sewing machines for about 8 or 9 years.
My name is Dave Lukes. I'm a volunteer repairer with the Restart project. I've been for about 7 years now.
My name is Rosemary and I'm a host, a Restart Party host.
Hello, I'm Alison Buckland and I'm involved in volunteering for the Restart project.
My name is Sabrina. I am the operations manager at AGT. I do mainly the admin side of work, but I also do some repairs. So I do sometimes the initial assessments of computers when people bring them in.
My name is Junaid. I'm a technician at Sarah's Fix. Me and my brother, we run this business and we've been fixing phones since 6-7 years.
I don't believe that people should buy stuff that then becomes obsolete after a few years. And I also think it's really important that we don't just keep buying more plastic stuff that then gets thrown away.
It allows us to offer people the chance to get their machines repaired instead of them having to replace their machines.
Some people don't have a lot of money. And for them, if their laptop stops working, what are they going to do? Throw it away and buy a new one? No, they need to get it repaired.
It's not sustainable for the environment for things to be thrown away, even if just one component has failed.
We're all very familiar with the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, but repair has to be up there with them as well to make 4. And it's probably, I would say, reduce, repair, reuse, recycle.
We also offer apprenticeships to people in the community and wider community. So people who are interested in computer engineering, we give them the opportunity to come and work with us. So they get an education as well as a salary.
I got involved in repair because it seemed like such a great idea. I've been interested in the circular economy, in sustainability, all those kind of things for a long time. And the Restart project is such an obvious idea to encourage people to use their electronics for longer, to repair them instead of throwing them away.
I'd always done my own motorcycle maintenance, so I'm quite handy with my hands.
Since I was young, I was very curious to know how these electronic things work. When I was a kid, when blender was broken, I tried to open and see what's going on and all. Usually I broke it more, but later I learned how to change fuse.
I enjoy getting to know what is inside a machine and just kind of seeing what things can be done to repair machines. We can get a machine up and running and working just by changing the hard drive or upgrading the memory or replacing the battery. Things that some people may not know can be done.
I'm gaining more and more experience as I go, so I'm hoping to be able to fix more things as time goes on. And one day I want to be able to have my own little workshop when I've got space and be able to help other people.
Since lockdown started, our business has been decreased dramatically. We lost 95% of our customers because most of our customers were people from offices or tourists. The only customers we have are the people who live local, and in central London there are very few residents here.
Right at the end of March, we were due to have our first event of the year, and our local library was all geared up and our hosts were all there and our restarters were all on call waiting, and with just a week to go we had to cancel it for safety reasons, and then of course we couldn't do any more. We can't arrange any more at the moment.
What I miss most about the repair community is the community. You know, the other repairers, the people you meet who've got stuff to repair. It's really fun interacting with new people.
Also with these repair events, I can showcase my skills and I can also learn other stuff as well, like what other people do.
During lockdown, lots more people were either starting to sew, or they were digging out sewing machines that they hadn't used for a long time, or they were getting one from their granny's loft. I worked out recently, I fixed about 120 sewing machines since the start of lockdown.
And one great project that my old friends at Hackney Fixers have been doing is repairing laptops for students for use on their courses, because some students just can't afford a laptop.
Our office was officially closed for a few months, but we were still able to offer delivery and collection services.
Repair Day is an annual celebration of being able to repair and save stuff from landfill.
London already has a fair repair economy. It's just not very visible. For instance, how many mobile phone repair shops or kiosks and booths have popped up? What we want to do is encourage more of that.
I think Repair Day is a really good initiative to increase the awareness of repairing over replacing to the wider community and just kind of all around the world.
I'm going to celebrate Repair Day by repairing my bike. I spend a lot of time repairing other people's stuff. My own stuff doesn't get repaired as much as it should do sometimes.
We've been celebrating Repair Day for a few years already. So we tend to do, last few years we've been holding events in person where we, invite people in with broken sewing machines and broken clothes and what have you.
Well, on Repair Day, which is the 17th of October, I hope to be part of a group who will actually visit and meet the skilled craftsmen and women who repair things for their living. It's giving them the chance to become more well known.
On a wider note, I will be doing a lot of social media, encouraging other people to think about it, making sure that Repair Day is as big as it can be.